So in 2003, my wife and I purchased Twin Maples Farm. We have 101,000 chickens on the farm we currently grow for Mount Air. Second came the grain production. We kind of got into that. Third was our miscanthus grass. We planted our first 16 acres, 2011, 2012, somewhere in that range. And then came the compost company. What we receive at Mid-Atlantic is the poultry manure from like the cages at the processing plants. We'll take that in. We will take the hatchery egg shell, the hatchery extra yolk from the hatcheries and bring that in. We also take the grain waste from the grain facilities that are set up here, and we also take horse manure, we mix it in. A lot of our customers are the farmers in the area. A lot of the farmers started to try our product after I did a lot of testing on my own row crops, and also a lot of the movement and sale of the product came from testing we did as a Mid-Atlantic on our own row crops in our own fields. So giant miscanthus is a perennial crop that we use to bid up chicken houses. There are several other uses for this crop, but right now my main goal was to help the industry with being able to provide a dry product for better livability in the industry. In FFA, if anybody told me I'd be growing miscanthus grass now, I would have laughed at them. A lot of that was I wanted to test and see if there was a better bidding out there or something that can be blended in to make a great bidding for chickens. So I wanted to improve my overall performance. What I was able to do was use it in unproductive groundware, such as areas of the farm or farms that were not producing. So a lot of the like high phosphorus farms, soil erosion farms, that's where we targeted. We went to our local banks and Queenstown Bank and Farm Credit, and we got lending with using the property as collateral to get our facility up and going. The thing was finding the waste streams in the area. So Mount Air had this kind of same vision and all, but they were willing to commit to a contract that would financially back the role of Mid-Atlantic in taking their waste streams. It shows for the industry as a whole, we're not sitting back. The poultry industry, we are leaders in diverting the waste and being stewards of the land. That grass is used to bid that animal up, but also it's used in carbon sequestration. It is erosion, water filtration, and all. This crop has enabled us to not just improve the industry, but improve the environment. When we can take the waste stream and take it to Mid-Atlantic, and us at Mayork do our process, get it through and back to the farmer, who the farmer uses the fertilizer, and then the farmer corn goes to this chicken again. We have closed loop that system. It's a big contribute to the industry and to our company at Mid-Atlantic and our team that's really put together and something that's worked for the industry as a whole. We knew once we started following this crop that the water filtration was something we were in need of, especially in the state of Maryland with the amount of tributaries and streams and rivers in this area. So the root filtration really helped in bringing these groups of people in to collect this data and to be able to share it and prove that we are improving water was big win for us. I've grown chickens for 30 years. Very passionate about the industry. Us, as a group, being able to take our positive feedback and relay it and pass it on to the next generation is very important to me. And yeah.